Are you ready to launch and grow your passive income online with affiliate marketing, but don't know where to start? Well, in this video, we'll explore the lucrative world of affiliate marketing with a step-by-step beginner's guide on how to successfully launch and scale your money-making machine. We'll break down the process into manageable and easily digestible steps with practical insights to make your affiliate marketing journey as smooth and rewarding as possible. Before we dive into the details, if you are new to our channel, hello and welcome to Digital Hippie, where we explore the world of earning income online through innovative business models and AI tools and automation, empowering you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. If you're all about transforming your digital dreams and crafting your reality, spread love by tapping that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay groovy with our content. Hop in, let's ride the digital wave. Affiliate marketing is an advertising strategy where businesses reward individuals or affiliates for promoting their products or services online. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique tracking link. While you may already grasp this very basic concept, successfully implementing affiliate marketing can seem complex and overwhelming with the abundance of information online. It's easy to feel lost or not have a pulse on the next best steps. However, we're here to help simplify the process. We will give you the blueprint guide to affiliate marketing success. So without further ado, let's dive into the 6 essential steps to launch and scale your affiliate marketing journey online. Step 1. Choose a niche. Choosing a niche in affiliate marketing is a critical decision, and many beginners make a common mistake by selecting a niche based solely on their passions, interests, or trends. While passion is essential, not all niches are equally profitable or scalable. It's crucial to consider factors such as demand, profit margins, and sustainability. When selecting a niche, you must think about whether it aligns with your overall financial goals and how you can contribute value to your audience within your niche. There are 3 factors to align with, and your chosen niche should check the box for all 3 of these factors: knowledge, demand, and sustainability. Let's head over to the first one, which is knowledge. You should have a good understanding of the product or niche you're promoting. You don't have to be an expert in your chosen niche, but some knowledge is important to the success of your affiliate marketing business. Additionally, if you have professional experience or higher education credentials in a specific field, you can leverage this knowledge to help solidify a niche and decide on a product. Second is the demand. The niche should be in high demand, indicating a substantial market of potential buyers. Your niche should have a high demand and consistent interest. The best niches to select from are in health, wealth, relationships, and technology. These niches often yield the most profitable results because they are in markets with active buyers. Lastly, sustainability. We can also call this profitability, as the idea is to look for niches with either high-ticket products or reoccurring commission-based products to achieve financial goals. Ultimately, the goal is to choose a niche that not only aligns with your interests, but also has the potential for profitability and sustainability. Balancing passion with market demand and financial considerations is key to success in affiliate marketing. Ensure you check the box for all 3 of these factors to determine the best niche possible. Now that we've selected a niche, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing the best product. Successful affiliate marketing begins with selecting the right product to promote within your niche. Yes, you can win big in the game of affiliate marketing, but the key is promoting top-notch products that your audience will love. Now let's break it down. In the affiliate world, you've got 2 main paths: digital products and physical products. If you're just starting out, our hot tip is to go digital. Why? Because with digital products, like software, you can say goodbye to fulfillment fees and hello to some seriously sweet profit margins. You might be thinking, what about starting as an Amazon affiliate? Great question. Many beginners start this way, and Amazon's a solid starting point. But here's the inside scoop. Their commission rates are on the low end, hovering around 1 to 10%. That means you'll need to sell a whole lot of products to see big commissions. On the flip side, digital products often come with 0 fulfillment fees, which means more cash in your pocket. So, how do you find the winning products? Well, the first place you should explore are affiliate marketplaces. Our top picks for the best affiliate marketplaces are Impact.com, Partnerstack.com, and WarriorPlus.com. You can also check out Digistore24 and ClickBank as alternatives. These sites have plenty of digital products to promote, Another place you can find winning products is on Google. A quick search like best affiliate products in the fitness niche, as an example, can unveil plenty of options to choose from. Overall, you want to look for products priced between $300 to $1,000 per sale, where a 50% commission translates into substantial earnings. Digital products with recurring commissions are also great choices. Examples of this are subscription services. PartnerStack and Impact has a vast array of subscription and software tools, waiting for you to promote and earn some sweet affiliate commissions. That's the gift that keeps on giving. But here's a pro tip. Try before you promote. Select 1 to 2 products to promote and get hands-on with them to make sure they're the real deal. You can also select products that are already known for their quality and value. Look at reviews and ratings of the product online. And don't overlook YouTube channels in your niche. Many offer online courses with affiliate programs you could begin promoting. Step 3. Choose a traffic source. So you've successfully identified your niche and found 1 to 2 products to promote. Now it's time to decide on your traffic source. This decision is a game changer, and it all depends on your available resources. Do you have more time available, or do you have more money available? If you have more time to invest and are working within a budget, focus on free traffic sources. On the other hand, if you have more money to invest than time, paid traffic sources would be the way to go. Beginners should start with one of the following free traffic options: YouTube, social media, or blogging. YouTube is the smartest choice for anyone looking to build a library of video content. YouTube can continue to generate sales, traffic, and views months or even years into the future after you've uploaded them. Sure, it may take a series of videos to gain traction on YouTube, but perseverance can lead to exponential growth as the content lives on the platform. And thanks to the rise in AI tools, creating faceless video content from start to finish has become easier now more than ever before. You no longer need to be a family vlogger, IG model, or even a traditional influencer to be successful on YouTube. The second best free traffic source is a social media platform, like Instagram. Facebook and TikTok are also options to choose from. The key to social media is consistency. You'll need to post regularly to stay relevant and competitive in the algorithm, but this option is well worth it when you implement your affiliate links and email collecting, which we will discuss more in the next step. Blogging is the third free traffic source, and despite its seemingly boring and old-school nature, blogging is a great way to attract dedicated readership while boosting affiliate sales at the same time. You can even repurpose your YouTube scripts into blog posts for maximum impact. Now, for those of you who are ready to invest in paid traffic, the top sources are YouTube, Google, and social media sites Facebook and Instagram, both owned by Meta. YouTube ads provide the opportunity to retarget viewers and reach a wider audience through targeted keywords and ad placements. Additionally, Google and Meta ads offer opportunities for affiliates to make substantial income. Remember, deciding between free and paid traffic all comes down to whether you have time or money. If you're a beginner with more time than money, it's most beneficial to focus on free traffic sources, such as YouTube, social media, or blogging. Once you start generating profits and get more experience in affiliate marketing, you can reinvest in paid traffic sources to scale your efforts. Step 4. Collect emails. Once you've completed the initial 3 steps, the next phase involves building an email list to further boost your affiliate marketing strategy. Email is one of the most effective marketing tools, as it allows direct communication with your subscriber list. This way, you can generate sales through targeted promotions. The simplest way to achieve this is by providing your audience with a free resource. This can be a resource linked to the products you promote, or one you create yourself, which typically takes around 30 minutes to an hour. You can utilize tools like Canva and ChatGPT. Here's a quick guide on creating a free resource. First, open a Google document within Google Drive. Second, develop a top 10 guide or how-to guide centered on a specific, popular topic in your niche. Ask ChatGPT to assist and give you ideas for the topic and content. Third, offer this guide as a downloadable PDF in exchange for visitors' email addresses. We recommend using Canva if you'd like a branded or otherwise prettier PDF doc, but by no means is Canva required for your freebies. A Google Doc will do just fine. To effectively collect and manage these emails, consider using Kajabi.com, which is a platform that streamlines email collection. While there may be an initial investment involved, it's a valuable tool that pays for itself as you make sales. Kajabi simplifies email management, enabling you to repeatedly reach out to your subscribers with valuable content and promotional emails containing affiliate links. This email marketing strategy can lead to substantial sales, with many affiliates earning tens of thousands of dollars each month through this approach. Step 5. Post high-quality content and optimize. Content is king. Whether you've selected a free or paid traffic source, posting high-quality content relevant to your audience and niche is a crucial step to your success. There are 4 content types that can help you succeed. The first content type is SEO research-based content. Focus on creating content around keywords that are relevant to your niche. Utilize tools like Google Trends to find high search volume and low competition keywords, or VidiQ to find low competition keywords specific for YouTube. For example, if you're in the how to make money blogging niche, target keywords like blogging, how to start blogging and earn money, and how to find a micro niche for blogging. The higher the score, the better the keyword ranking. You can now create content surrounding those keywords, since it will guarantee high search volume for your content and possibly more views and traffic. The second content type is product reviews. If you're promoting a product, honesty is key. Purchase the product and create a review, sharing your genuine thoughts and experiences. This builds trust with your audience. The third content type is tutorials. Create step-by-step how-to guides related to your niche. For example, in the making money on YouTube niche, make tutorials addressing common issues like how to create a YouTube channel and how to get monetized on YouTube. Use tools like answerthepublic.com to generate ideas based on questions people are searching for. And the final content type is recreating popular content. Identify already successful content within your niche by searching for top-viewed videos, blog posts, or social media content. For YouTube, use the most viewed feature in the VidiQ tool to find relevant content. Model your content after the best aspects of these successful pieces, but avoid copying them verbatim. Rewrite the content in your own words and incorporate elements from multiple sources. Dive into the comment sections to discover what viewers want to know more about and include that information in your content. This approach increases your content's chances of performing well in algorithms when effectively optimized. Continually assess your content's performance and improve underperforming pieces. Concentrate on refining your top-performing content, because 90% of your views and sales typically come from just 10% of your content. Adapt to changes within your niche, create up-to-date content, and maintain audience trust through valuable information. So at this point, you've gone through the steps of choosing your niche, product, and traffic source. You've started your email list and posting optimized, high-quality content, yet still not seeing success in your affiliate marketing journey. What gives? Well, friends, you need to develop a winning mindset, which brings us to our final step. Step 6. Have a winning mindset. This is the most pivotal step in your affiliate marketing journey. A winning mindset is crucial for any affiliate marketer, as it sets the tone for your growth and success online. It's more than just watching YouTube tutorials. Affiliate marketing requires real, persistent action. Remember, initial efforts might not be perfect. It often takes experimenting with various products and strategies before hitting success. But success in affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a gradual journey of improvement and learning from failures. You see, the truth is, many will fail in affiliate marketing not from a lack of information, but due to a mindset that hinders progress. Traits like laziness, procrastination, lack of focus, or staying busy without being productive must be replaced with a more strategic and committed approach. Success in this field demands developing specific skills through dedicated effort, and this process is a lot more smooth with a winning mindset. To build this winning mindset, we recommend 3 transformative books: The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and Atomic Habits by James Clear. These books are like the prerequisites to your success online, as they will empower you with inspiration, offering practical tips on positive thinking, following your purpose, goal setting, and building productive habits. Essential tools for any successful affiliate marketer or anyone building an online business. And if you don't have physical copies of these books or not into traditional reading, no worries. You can listen to The Alchemist, Think and Grow Rich, and Atomic Habits on Audible.com, the largest online audiobook store. They offer a 30-day free trial so you can start reshaping your mindset right away. Just click the link in the description for your free trial and begin your journey to success with the right mindset. Well, congrats on making it through this tutorial on how to start affiliate marketing. Before we depart, we would like to leave you with these 3 bonus tips for your affiliate marketing journey. Bonus tip number 1, build a community. The first bonus tip is community building. Create a space like a Facebook group or Discord for people to gather. Offer free value by answering questions and providing assistance. Building goodwill can convert potential customers in the future, even if it takes time. Promote your community in videos and other relevant groups, encouraging people to join. Occasionally, offer bonuses to group members who make purchases through your affiliate link. Tip number 2, offer bonuses. The second bonus tip involves providing bonuses for affiliate purchases. These can be extra content like a mini course, cheat sheets, or quick start guides to name a few. You can incentivize purchases through your link by granting access to these bonuses upon verification via email or social media direct message. Bonus tip number 3, become a vendor. The final bonus tip is to consider creating your own course and becoming an affiliate vendor. Utilize the expertise gained from affiliate marketing and develop a course with step-by-step videos, sharing your valuable insights. Many people are willing to invest in knowledge, potentially making this a lucrative venture. That's all for today. Thanks for riding the digital wave and tuning in for yet another purposeful video towards online success and financial freedom. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get our groovy updates. Again, this is Digital Hippie, inspiring you to work less, earn more, and live hippie.